57 plate Mondeo, trying to change the mirror, the right hand mirror. Right, so he's got the replacement mirror here. We just need to take it off. This quarter panel comes off, it just pops out. Obviously it's been smashed. I just wonder why you don't just change this instead. It might be an easier thing to do. Let me just check that. There's too much damage here, so it's not going to pass any inspections. It's not going to hold. I thought it might just be proper offerable. Pop the little plastic cap off there. Need the Torx. I can't tell you which one. I'm just going to run through them. There we go. Turn that one out. And you keep that screw. So the quarter panel holds the speakers, so it's worthwhile getting that out of the way in a second. Right, store it away. Just pop that off as well. It's handy. The speaker. See if this trim comes off. Trim comes off, hopefully. Don't know if it requires any. There's that one. It's reasonable. Dash. Run out of light in a minute. That's what it looks like. Okay. That mechanism is screwed on by the Torx there. Some sort of.
All right. Okay. Yeah. Just give me a ring tomorrow.
It looks like it could pop off. It's definitely a catch to start with. Let's try popping the panel.
Yeah, it's coming off. Yeah.
How about these screws instead? Maybe this pops off instead. Screw, 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 and the screw.
Alright.
You give it another little tug.
Yeah. Oh yes, it's coming off. I think it's the whole thing comes off, alright, is it half of it?
Yeah, it's unscrewed. It's unscrewed.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
let's get the screws off.
Yeah.
They are normal screws. Your little screwdriver can do it. These, so if it can pop off.
Oh right, it's better to do it this way, all over them.
Right.
Yeah. Yes.
I've got your two
Yeah.
in a little reservoir
Yeah.
of your car. You haven't lost them. Where you keep your cup holder. That's nice of Ford, isn't it?
Then instead of like pulling or whatever, this is much better.
This one might be rusty, probably is. Because this is where the water drains, the one underneath.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
Just helping my friend here, the next door neighbour, with his Mondeo again. He's the man who works so hard to us in the NHS, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Nice and forward to keep it like this. What litre engine is this?
It's 2 litre. It's
2
not bad actually, diesel.
Yeah, I used to have a 2 litre Mondeo.
Yeah.
See my other videos.
Not really small roads like that. You can go like 60, 70 mile an hour.
No, the Mondeo is a good.
Yeah.
This is nice now.
Yeah.
The Mondeo is good.
This car is done 205,000 miles.
I can change. I can get that.
Oh, you can get that
Yeah,
now? No. Okay, that's good then.
We don't have to do that much more. So it popped off.
Yeah.
It popped off the hinges just here. So we know that's got to go in there.
Yeah.
So if I get
If
my
I
fender
hold
hole.
it, yeah.
Let me just show the camera. So with them screws out, so it looks like inside. It is. So obviously what I'm going to do, my friend here, next door neighbour, pop this thing off. So let's see what that's on. That's one of them. Get the thing out first. Shouldn't be too difficult. There we go, that's that.
Hang on.
That's all right, you can let go now, sir.
Okay. Oops.
There we go.
Yeah, there we go.
There we go, we go.
Oh my goodness,
So
how much dust.
Lift up.
Is that
So that wedges in, if you want to wedge it in the top,
yeah.
in, like that. So that pulls out like that.
Ah, it's got. Let's see if it's the same switch
Oh.
as that one. I
think it'll be alright.
it is the same. It's the same.
Yeah, it's the same.
It's the same.
So-
Brilliant.
So we'll put it around the back, and if the owner goes around the back, make sure it don't fall. As long as we plug this in, if it falls, it will just hit that. You know, it won't fall all the way. So we'll plug it in first.
Should I come around?
No, just take it. I got it. It's easier to plug it in now. Yeah. So let's get it on the camera.
It's fitting in really well.
Yeah.
Absolutely perfect.
So it is simple as that.
Yeah.
So always do things logically. Like, you know, you don't want to put a new mirror on or a recon mirror and then drop the damn thing. So we've got 2 people. Get them to hold the other side. Makes perfect sense. So I plug this. As soon as I plug that in, that's in.
Yeah. Have you plugged it?
Yeah.
Ah.
So that can't fall out.
Nah, it's brilliant.
You can throw it out now. It doesn't matter. The wire will catch it.
Yeah.
Perfectly logical. And look, I even put that speaker back on because I thought the wire might pop inside. We never find it again. But however, oh yeah. So he's already got halfway in already. Look. So the top goes in first, and this is just push really.
Yeah.
Pop it in. It should pop.
I think that.
If not, let's have a look. Let's have a look.
Oh no, it hasn't popped in from this here.
Let's have a look. Should we close the door?
Yeah, that's it. This is where it should go.
All right, let's have a look. Let's do it. If it don't fit, if a car park. The gentleman left the nut on there, so that's why we couldn't push it in. So now,
we can.
Now we can just.
It just goes in.
It should just pop in.
1 second. Yes.
In.
Oops.
Top in first. Top in and bottom in.
Yes.
All right.
Got it. That's it. Perfect.
I'll just hold that. Yeah.
Perfect.
So simple. And you've got them screws in your hand, haven't you?
Yeah.
Right. So did it have a washer on it?
Yeah. Did you take the washer?
I've got a washer. 2 washers or 1 washer?
Whatever you think.
She got me up at 8 o'clock in the morning to drop off at work, and I was still piss up barely sort of see. So
Even one would
I
do.
went back to their flat, it was the worst thing I could do.
Hang on a
I was
second.
going to text Kev and say, look, I'm going to rest for about an hour, so I'll be a bit late.
I
'Cause he
didn't
said
bring
you
my
don't have to turn
spanner.
up.
Just hang on a second.
I'll
Okay.
turn up at 9 anyway. But
10 is it? That one? Which way go?
I've got a channel.
That is 9 up to 12. Come back. The wrong one.
10.
No, it's not 10.
It's not 10?
No, I've got 10 in my hand.
Sort of right down.
Right, 13.
So you should have got rid of it if you want to get rid of it for £300. There's £300 of use we've had in the last 6 months.
Yeah.
But I don't know what kind of money it's
Yeah.
7.
Is it?
Nice and simple, eh?
Only because, you know, the...
Nothing complicated. Pause. Hang on, a bit more. Here.
yeah.
Loosen a bit more. Quite loose. Yeah. See?
Yeah, that's
Right,
it.
so now,
That's it.
no worries.
Now we can type.
Now we're tighten it up. There we go. So that we shoved that in there, loosen it. The man's idea was a good one, and then we tighten it up. So these boards looks like it's pretty simple. I almost took the whole thing off, didn't we? It's just held in by what's it? I think it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 normal screws. Hopefully he's still got them in his hand or somewhere. In the pocket maybe.
Yeah.
Still in his NHS uniform. So we're doing our bit here, helping us, we're helping them.
Oh, thank you very much.
So, you like to share your name, sir?
My name is Raj.
There we go. You're a very nice man.
Oh, thank you.
He works very hard for us. Just help us out.
Yeah, that's it. It's not
That
going
should
to...
shut now.
Yeah.
It's not poking out.
No,
at all,
no,
is
it won't. It was shut.
So this port panel. Goes like that. Well, let's get this door in first.
Yeah, it slides in. Like,
Yeah. I see, slides in.
Yeah.
Let's get this bit in first.
Yeah, okay.
Always do it with reverse order.
Yeah.
So, okay, that's nice and forward.
Yeah.
Popping straight in. Alright, let's get the screws in.
Yeah, I'll give you screws.
Yep. There we go. So, I'll take one at a time.
Yeah, okay. No worries.
Start with this one. Mysteriously disappeared fuse, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fuse, you bring that.
Yeah. It's alright. Doesn't have to be pretty perfect. That's it.
As long as it sits in.
Yeah. The camera, it goes in. Let me come around.
Yeah, I see 2 bits.
Here we go. I think.
2 bits.
Yeah, the way.
See
it
the 2
goes.
bottom bits.
Yeah. Let me go fuse. Over here.
Oh yeah, I see it now.
Yeah, can you see it here?
Yeah,
If-
well, I've got a new one if
Yeah,
that breaks off.
yeah. So if it goes in there, that's it. It's not gonna go.
Not gonna
nowhere.
fall off.
Yeah, yes.
Good job. You just slid in. Slid in.
Yes.
That thing. Next. That looks like this.
Oh yeah, we did put the screw. Don't have to put the cap on, just the screws in it.
Oh, I still got the
Yeah.
tap. That'll be fine. There we go. It sits in like that. Nice one forward.
Yeah.
There's the Torx. Where the Torx? I can't remember. Probably Torx 20. One of the smaller ones. It's left that plastic cap might work.
Yeah, it's alright if you leave it.
It'll be alright.
Yeah, we really don't need it.
Yeah, it doesn't.
If this car goes for another 5-6 months, 4-5 months, that's it. I'll just scrap it.
Well, keep it running. Tim.
Yeah, I'll keep on running until it dies off.
No, the thing is, we're getting rid of. They're going to just ban all these sort of
Yeah,
cars, aren't they?
yeah.
And you won't be able to buy them.
Yeah.
Second hand, these prices, these cars are going to go up.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's job done. Thanks for watching.